here. It's Yolz channel.
Guys, we just got up and we were getting ready to head out for breakfast, and boom, there was zebras right outside our cottage. How beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Thank you for gracing us with your presence. Don't come too close now. We ain't that friendly, you know what I'm saying? We is definitely not this friendly. Good morning. Damn, I actually really like singing, don't I? We woke up to a beautiful cottage in Mpumalanga, Nelspruit. We are in a Tom Jaku Bush Lodge, and we still have our friends here. They're a little far, I don't know if you can see them. But we got zebras in the Hise. There's about 4 zebras on the property right now. They are literally right in front of our front door and the pool area. But yeah, we're away for the weekend just to rest a little bit. Work is about to get hectic for both me and Hubs, more so him as well. He's going to be traveling for work, but we wanted to just spend time together before things get hectic. My life is already hectic. His is about to get hectic, and if you know us personally, he's the calm in my life. He's the calm in my storm. I don't know how I'm gonna cope. So we need to just step out of our reality for a little bit, take a little break, and then get back into it on Monday. It's about to get real. It's gonna start. But yeah, I think rest is so important. I've been preaching this for a while now, but it's something that I'm practicing over and over and over, and I always find myself just getting to a point where my cup is consistently either full or overflowing, and that's what we want. That's my prayer for the year. God's plan over anything and everything, and I just don't want to run on an empty cup. I don't want my fire to die out this year. So yeah, we're about to chase waterfalls. We want Fez to experience his first waterfall. I believe mine was probably around the Mac Falls here in, I think it's Sabi. So we're gonna go to Lone Creek Falls today, so we can actually share that little experience with Fez. It's gonna be our first time in Lone Creek. I think I don't remember much of like my younger years here, at least like under 5, and I was born here, if you don't know, born in Mpumalanga, and yeah, I've experienced quite a lot from what I hear. But from my memory, no, I don't remember much of like travel and experience. Anyway, I didn't realize I'm in the dark. The boys are waiting for me. The boys are waiting for me. It's so dark. Okay,
Mommy,
let's go.
that was quick.
Oh, was it? It's a real compliment.
Look what I did.
What did you do?
I did that.
All our phones. Your phone, love? It's on you. Oh.
It's mine.
Yours is here. Woo! Overexposure.
Mommy, can I play on my phone?
I'll give you your phone just now. So, today we are giving Fez his first real waterfall experience. He was in my tummy. Ne? The one in the botanical gardens. Okay, well, Hubs doesn't remember. I remember that one very clearly.
I also remember that one.
No, he didn't experience it. He was in my tummy.
I experienced it. I know.
I
know from your tummy.
Oh wow, okay. Fezzy says he knows from my tummy. The reason I'm so oily is because I slapped on another layer of SPF. That's why my face is so shiny. But yeah, we're going to share today's experience for ourselves and for Fezzy too. It just always feels like I'm experiencing Mpumalanga anew every time I'm here. So let's go. You can hear the waterfall, but we can't see it yet. What we can see is this beauty. Oh no, don't be blurry now. Don't you be blurry on me. Hunies, we're about to leave Mac Falls. We got to see 2 falls. I don't know why this was... It felt underwhelming. Oh gosh, is there a fly in here? This experience felt a little bit underwhelming for me. We're about to leave Mac Falls. What the hell is Dino? There's a fly in here. Disgusting. Can I... Let me just deal with this fly quick. Sisa. Gaan uit jou ding. Hy voel nie op my endo. Anyway, yeah, we're about to leave. I'm hungry. I want to go back to our lodge. I'm actually really surprised how much we all love where we're staying. It's always like a point of discussion where we stay if we go away. I think we're all happy. Fez loved the place. He wants to come back. I think I told you guys it's Tom Jaku Lodge or Jom Chachu Lodge. It's really, really nice, won't lie. This thing is annoying. Can I eat your dung? Oh, I know we're almost back. We cannot drive with a fly in the car. Here we go. So yeah, we're about to head back to Nelspruit. We're probably gonna get some supplies because we want to Braai. I'm excited actually because I'm tired. It's been a long day, but I wanted to quickly check in. My family, the boys. You see the boys?
The boys are back.
The boys are back in the car. We're about to head home. I'm excited. Oh no! My nail has a slight chip. You definitely won't be able to see it, but anyway.
Daddy, you go.
It's time to go. I'll see y'all later.
Mommy, I do not like the poo.
The boys are back.
I should
we're outside just chilling as a fam, and I just wanted to sort of maybe probably end. I might be ending this vlog, but yeah. Ooh, we got lots of boobage.
Mommy, come on.
Coming. Honeys, I just wanted to show you my dress. I need to lose a little bit more weight to fit into it, but my best friend gave me this dress when I was in Cape Town. Clearly, Cape Town is about fashion, but yeah, I love it so much. Now to join the fam. Oh, here he is. Okay, let's go chill, Papa.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, so we're gonna go chill by the pool quickly. Ooh. We're gonna go chill by the pool quickly. If you can hear the crackling, that's the fire. My husband's about to braai. But I wanted to.
My feet don't go by the floor
Yes.
because it's gonna make you cough.
And then you disappear. Anyway, I'm gonna put y'all down here. We were chilling in the pool.
Hello.
And I thought, well, my daddy is Lozy Chowie.
My daddy's name is Lottie, and he loves me and mommy.
He does.
Right now, let's go chill by the pool.
Again. Okay, let's go. Careful. Don't run, please. Whatever you do you not what?
Run.
Do you not what?
Do not run.
Okay, go and stand there. I want to see the frame. Take it slow, Baba. Go to where we were sitting.
Let me go to the.
Let me see. Sit there. I need you to stand there. Stand where we were sitting. I just want to see if we're in frame. Stand right there. Perfect.
Hutulu, 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 hutulu. Mommy, our feet's gonna. Mommy, let's move somewhere where it's colder again.
Where it's colder. Oh my gosh.
Let's go somewhere cold. I like it cold. Let's launch the water. Mommy, see, mine can go higher than yours. Ah! Woo! Mom, this is such a fun day together.
Okay. Let's go drink on the drinks.
Me and you. Daddy, it's so nice to help you. Mommy, did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Come this side.
Ow.
Don't put them together. Easily. Easily. Yo, must slow bikes.
Clean.
Snake.
Honeys, it's our last day. You can probably hear the car. We are off. I'm literally just switching off the lights. Honeys, we are in a rush. However, I did do a little tour for you guys, so do enjoy. I've added voiceover just for you. Let's start off in the bedrooms. This is where Fezzy slept. This cottage has got 2 bedrooms. It's perfect for 2 couples as well, if the other couple is willing to sleep in a second bedroom that's got 2 single beds, which they can put together like this. The other one has got a bigger bed, which you'll see, and I think it's a king size. I'm not sure. It's not very far from the main bedroom. It's literally separated by a passage. So yeah, this is where he slept. I just loved how cozy everything is here and how safe we felt. That's always very important. This is the little view that he had. It's not much of a view really, but it's just outside where we parked our car. And then it's the bathroom. Very simple. This is probably the part where we were like, yeah, it's pretty dated. The pictures on booking.com honestly do it more justice. We were sold by the pictures and they don't look anything like this. It wasn't too disappointing, like I say. If you know bush retreats and you've stayed in a few like the Kruger National Park, this is pretty much like standard. What I loved about it is that it's serviced, you know, so you don't have to do your bed, you don't have to wash your dishes. Yeah, so this is our main bedroom. Also not much difference to the first one besides the bed. And this is the view. It's basically the entry side of the cottage and overlooking the pool and patio area. I'll show you guys more of the outside a little later, but yeah, this was our bedroom, and then in between the bedrooms is the passage as well as the bathrooms. Onto the lounge. This is the lounge area, the dining in the middle, and the kitchen. The most important part was honestly this, which was the fireplace, because it was pretty cold. It's getting a little nippy even in MP, so that helped a lot. We actually had the fire going on one of the nights. And then I want to take you guys outside. This is the part we enjoyed the most. Oh, I forgot the dining area. This is the mini dining area. The kitchen, very basic. I don't know how this place is a 4-star with a kitchen like this, but like I say, it was very practical. It worked for us. Back to the outside. This area we used the most. We braaied most of the time that we were here. That weekend was just splendid for us. We are outdoorsy people, and even though it was cold, we could really chill outside. There was no rain. I don't think it rained in any of the nights, but I just love the privacy. We don't see another cottage from where we are. You don't hear anyone else besides the animals. This is the veranda / patio area. We literally ate outside, chilled outside, did a lot of the stuff outside, which I absolutely loved. And of course, as you saw, the zebras are very friendly, so if you see them, we saw them on both the days. And that's really the house. I needed to rush out. If you did enjoy this video, you know what to do. Give it a massive thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Love you guys. Mwah.
And we're off.